Family Fun Time on CoastLife is sponsored by Kids Ketch.
Well, I don't think you can deny it any longer, but the holiday shopping season, at the very least, is here.
It's right here.
It's happening. And I typically like to try to make at least a goal of shopping a little bit locally for the holidays. And one stop that you can't miss, of course, is Kids Ketch in Lewes. We've got Lori Smyth joining us, owner of Kids Ketch. And I mean, the best part about the store is that the store is fun. You go in, you guys have so many different types of toys, science-based, creative-based, play-based, clothes that kids want to wear.
Just fun-based.
Fun-based. And so you always bring the fun with you here in studio. And I think we should probably just hop right to it, because you brought some science-based toys with you today.
Right. So we're going to blind you with science.
Ooh.
Cue the Thomas Dolby. Right? So the first thing I brought is this awesome Insta-Snow station. You've heard of STEM toys. Well, STEAM is when they put a little more art and creative play into it as well.
Cute.
So this is one of those we're going to actually make our Insta-Snow, but then you get to stick the stickers on.
Cute.
You get to play with it afterward, pretend you're a little scientist. So we've already made some here, but would you like to?
We're going to do a little bit more. I got to tell you guys, pay attention right now. This is one of the coolest little toy things I've ever seen. Like it's a mind blower. So Lori is filling up the water here. There's a specific amount that you need to hit.
Yeah, we're going to fill it up to the 40. You've done this before. Okay, that looks good right there.
That looks good. And then what are we using here?
So this is a polymer, and I have some right here that we're going to dump in. Would you like to just dump them into the bowl?
Just both of them? We're going with both of them?
So
Let Charlie play with this one. It reminds him of Alaska.
It
yes,
does.
this is a yes. Oh yes, that's
Just
right.
like home.
This is perfect for you. So this is a super absorbent polymer that the secret is it's actually what they use in diapers. Yes, so but it's non-toxic and safe for the kids to touch and play with. It will make a physical change, so it'll go from being in this powder form.
I'm gonna pour this in.
Yes, so you want to be ready because you want to keep your eyes on it when it grows. It's going to stretch this polymer.
And you see right away, it's just instant. It's so cool.
And then you stir it up and fluffs up.
That is so much fun.
And it really looks like snow. And you mentioned this earlier, Lori. It almost feels a little cold. I don't know if that's my mind playing tricks on me. It just feels great.
And because it was a physical change, when the water evaporates, it'll go back to being in that powder form. And then in a couple days, you can just reuse it and do it again.
And that's
really
not the only one. Not the only toy we have from them today.
That's right. I also brought the hydraulic boxing bots.
I'm all in. That's all you have to say. This is the only 3 words I needed.
I was going to put it together, but it does take 3 hours to build each robot. So if you've got a kid that just loves to sit down and, actually they recommend it. It says ages 10 with help or 12. And you've got this, is what it is. So those are the ages, and it's just a lot. Once you get it built, once again, you get to play with it. You take on the Robo and the Kanga. It says will take on each other. So that's a fun one
That's a great toy.
Kid who loves science and mechanical building type toys.
And then we've got this Lego thing here.
Yes.
So this is from the company Elenco, and they make snap circuits. We carry a lot of other snap circuit kits, but this particular one is compatible with Lego, and it actually has 10 different builds that it shows you how to build, but you can use your own imagination and build your own. So you have the little circuit board that's here, and the wires are going to make a circuit. So I took the blue wire and I connected the yellow light brick, they light up, to the brick that's on the front, the blue one, and then wrapped it around to this yellow brick again. So I've got the positive and negative plugged in, and when I do that, you can either turn the switch on or off, and it creates the circuit.
I cannot tell you how many hours of fun I would have gotten out of this. The games I would have been constructing in my head to play with this. I'm thinking of every movie where like,
Right,
which
like, now
wire
we
do you
have to-
cut?
yeah,
like,
I
doing
know.
the whole thing.
I know, and you can, when you put it with your other Legos and all your, just the
Yes.
imagination, you know,
The
it's
mad
unlimited.
scientist play that you could get out of all of
Yes,
these is
yes.
just
It's
incredible.
awesome.
So this is just one of the smaller kits, but we do have larger snap circuit kits where you can build FM radios and all kinds
gosh.
of things. So yeah, this is another fun STEM item. And yeah, just a sampling of the science.
Now I know we've
that we
got
have.
a bunch more we're going to talk about
Yes,
in
we
this
do.
next
Yes.
segment, but before we get to that, because I just don't want to forget it, because I've come into the store before to get things from you guys. We're coming up on these holidays. Tell everybody about the wrapping
Yes.
situation
Oh, yeah.
because I cannot explain how much better they can do this than I can do this. And like I went in knowing it was going to be better than what I could do, but it's really nice. It makes things look great as you're about to hand out a gift.
So it is like a one-stop shop. So you can come in, you can get help picking out age-appropriate toys, whatever you're looking for, and then once you get them, we can wrap them for you. We have the cutest wrapping paper with like hammerhead sharks with Santa hats and all kinds of things. So the ladies and gentlemen there that are working, they'll wrap it up for you, put the bows on it, and then you're ready to go.
Perfect.
And also you can join our loyalty program
Yes.
so that you get 2% back on all of your purchases, and you'll be in our system, so you'll be notified of any promos and
What a win.
specials going on, events.
There you go. And there are plenty of promo specials and lots of events going on. But we have more toys to play with. Lori's not going anywhere. We've got a little bit more to showcase for you when Coast Life gets back.